let the collect that pikin. Muna ask her the reason why I collect that pikin from my mommy hand. Muna ask her the reason why I collect that pikin from my mommy hand. Muna ask her the reason why I collect the pikin from my hand. Muna ask her, say we be bad people. We spend 2 years for house arrest. Where we follow? You say we be bad people, Abi. You say we be bad people. You say we be bad family. When your pikin done with me, I ask you money one day. I ask you money.
Leslie.
Next one a bad person. Now this disgrace now she want. And I go disgrace you. Now go disgrace blessing.
See your pikin wey stay with Amado Vicky.
Jesus! If where the pikin dead, where the pikin dead, so now me want go. So me want give the pikin for. If the pikin no first there with me, if the pikin no first there with me for years, sir. Many evidence, even the paper where they put the pikin for school there with me. The lunch bag, the school bag.
Vicky, fair mute first. Fair mute first. I dey hear you.
Because if my pikin never do that pikin, if I will do that pikin, my mama fit deal with. What's it called school play? Because as I got that pikin day a year.
Money power tap, money gone, roses, one they drop out for my head, I deserve her.
Now I call it Libya Rose.
Yes.
As I tell Libya Rose, I put that pikin for my mama. Then mama didn't know that pikin. Inside there, the story where they say my mommy of you where you are, or you
before we do family meeting recently now, before we do family,
Vicky, we come to the no 12 for there. You go talk now. We are going. I have it now. Your sister they explain. Play first now. Your mama said not the zoo. Your mama said not the zoo. Start from there.
Don't say not the fraud. Me look him stop for there. Mommy no want them. Mommy just speak.
Fair way first now. Me your sister, go to your sister again. You go talk your own.
It bought 12 children from my married to my pie, bought 12 from my pie. They come off for the go man of that man.
12 children. You come off for the go man of that man.
Yes, they just from because that's dangerous for our life.
Yes, very dangerous now.
Institution the law, all boy and so if you continue marriage for that side, which is the battle, business
wait now, you don't have to believe again.
So from there, go to beg our parents. If my mom no want come back, me collect money to save our life. One don't take back the grace. My daddy say, what you go do? Say nothing collect money. My mom come back cash. Two of them, they do. That's what we don't understand. They said, if I work, I frustrate for Europe, no work. They are the police station. They go frustration from my head. So they said, my pikin with mama. He said, they are still also say money give mama. Let's feed that pikin because I don't use pikin they play. So inside here, all those battles they go. Now my papa for ground me, he die. They go say, this woman put money for your head. Don't want it, Mary has all the people.
Yes.
My mommy said, I lie, you know the money that was here one. From there, that the company say, for you to meet her, for you to go collect that pikin, without that one, you don't go see where you go frustrate because that pikin.
Who tell you say for you to meet her, you go carry the pikin? Who tell you that one?
Now, my daddy family.
Your daddy family say for you to meet up for Europe, go carry your pikin with your mama.
Hey,
Vic, where would you there? Anybody you where? I thought say you be last born. Last born not get responsibility before.
I collect that pikin finish. He never reached 2 weeks. They come from me for work. When I dey start for 5 years, I go to work. I say, I don't know, Imam, I don't cash fish. I don't know where to put it for the work. It's now so.
After you go carry your pikin from there, 2 weeks you can see work. Work where they find for 9 months, you not see.
9 years, I don't see.
Okay.
So, inside there, I got the bed mama. He said that for this, see my papa. I go carry that pikin. I dey treat see my papa. My mom be say that people go dey talk my papa go dey beat me. I go dey see my papa dey tell me say I go carry that pikin for my mom in hand. Say it no good, it no good, it no good. Before I go decide go collect that pikin for my mom in hand, I say Mama, all this pikin for your hand, not my fault. They pay me, but that pikin where they carry they go, you no safe. You no get where one put this pikin where go save that for your hand. Mama, beg, because of me, if you don't look at that just because of me, go do this thing. If na money is the problem, I go pay. When you just tell me this come off for ground, because I think that they come off for ground. You know, for my mind, I just let it for the better for us. The people not talking about that. So that pikin they do. I go dey tell my sister, say they come, they take off the pikin. They say no, my mommy go keep them. My mommy go keep them. Me go collect pikin from my mommy hand. They no go stay. They no go play. They no go wear the pikin. They come come this pikin so pikin and pay. That pikin. If so go to the car, they check on her. I go say pikin down. I say tell us go drink. I tell pikin say you no go water for them. Go to the car at least. How you take use the money? You say how me dey? Why I go dey tell her how you take use the money? But they swear for me. You come check up my pikin. Me dey ask how you take use the money. That be problem. That be quarrel wey me and that one get.
Okay. You don't explain finish now, B. You don't explain finish now, B. All the married women out there, what they talk say, and you one not they work. Juju not they work. And you one not they work. And you one not they work. And you one not they work. What they yell? If you go sleep with man for outside. Wait, oh, where your mama go sleep with another man? Eh? You still sleep with your father?
Wait, come on, I don't know. I don't think because me, I'm not going for my mommy day.
Epa, make I answer this question. Yes. Make me answer this question because Mesa, everything they talk on a lie.
Yes or no?
My mommy come out from my daddy house a year 2000 with the new a year 2000. My mommy take come out 6. Then he take come out. Even my mommy go and know the place. Say my daddy go carry money. My daddy say no, they carry any money. Go go tell them muje moto. No go ya. Oh God, she was not that way. She not there. She not there.
Vic, wait first. You not even answer my question. Did your father still slept with your mother after your mama don't go do what she not supposed to do with another man? Is a question of yes or no.
Your leg.
Blessing, you still sleep with her? Because if you sleep with him, he never do. If you sleep with her, he never do the cleansing. Meaning that make your father go down.
If I grow up, I don't see my mother. They say my mother don't leash us with papa. They use me, she, but always seen me with this future. So, but always seen me to tell my mom for where she from go. They marry, they go say, go bow you, they go take off. I'm not grown now. Ask girl to sister how about that. Now they grow up. I don't see my mama together. They say my mom knew about this future. So now she won't leave my come on.
No give for that matter. If you so father, bless you. Father, DJ no move where Libya. And I'm father we go bless you. Bless DJ no move from man where we go to future.
Hello, Vic. May you wait first. You know. May the sins of our mother and our father not affect us in Jesus' name. May you wait. May you explain from the way your sister they explain us so. All those way you hear the shout for, so you not get within the touch. Now, Vic, may we hear your whole side of the story.
Mommy hear this matter. Mommy go need to swear for my sister. If mommy hear this matter, go need to swear for her. He go need to swear for her. If mommy hear this matter, go need to swear for her because what my sister they actually do. If mommy hear, they go need to swear for her. Mommy never want to punish my sister. Mommy never want to. Mommy break me to my time. Break me to my village. Me carry my sister go live. Me carry go abroad.
When you met me when no, not be you, Blessing. Sorry, my sister the turtle. What's you do, Vicky? You already drop you. Can't you understand that? No matter what, this is your elder sister. I want to get respect for the family. Why you respect you? Really, may I love this Timuna for 50 years.
Get respect. No be the way my sister they talk. So
if you get respect, you not say this is your elder sister. You still they put respect. You say your mama was swear for him. As how? As how? You know the disgrace of
everything where someone talk last for year. Everything where she they talk. I take carry our family problem come put for social media. So it is where when all here. Me not getting to me want talk. So the disgrace and the shame when she come for this family. Now here, bless you all the way.
Shut up, again. I didn't respect you.
Shishi, you know, get agreed to.
You don't even the pity your sister.
No, very useless girl.
You don't do. I'm not gonna useless girl. Does that?
Everybody mute. Musa mute. Everybody wanna mute first. Vic, I don't like the role where you play right now. The role where you play right now, if let's say you want to join, if baby papa beat your sister. After all the humiliation, where your sister don't go through for this guy hand. That's number one. Number two, if let's not get feeling of human sympathy for that family. They not get, may you wait first, blessing. Wait first. Because for a mother to naked swear for a pikin, that family get as a be more no verse. Because exact now what if Vicky talk now me to the judge am. Say if mama hear this kind of a thing, say where Mudiane, where you go on? Fair wait first. Fair wait, blessing, calm down. Say if your mama hear this thing go naked swear for your pikin. Do you know the disgrace I have brought upon my mother? People, they insult my mom today and because of me, because I did social media. But my mother is still there praying for me every day of her life as long as she lives. Even when I still talk this morning, before I still live and she still pray for me. A mother is a mother. A mother can never swear for their children. Any mama will swear for a pikin, you get as a baby. You think they pay you that say your sister they thought say your mama go cheat on your papa. Because she need to explain to us where is your pikin when you born off stay with the grandmother. If there is problem, there should be problem. That's it. May you explain what happen now. You they talk rubbish. We not even understand what you they talk, Vic. I have a nuta. Explain. May you explain to us what your sister talk so you they talk another thing entirely.
Papa, I bet no verse. You get what she be want talk. She say, Ibla say, mama come up for a papa hand. Can't deal with another man. But he never return bride price. He can't go there with another man. Never return bride price.
Wait first.
When the man see the shopping food, I go affect her. Once the woman come out, he not come back again.
Affect the man back again.
You know, and you don't get a bad grill
now. You can't meet me. Who drop on?
Who drop Musa? Or they bring Musa day?
Investor, I'll quickly talk one thing.
Yes, talk.
Okay. Investor, good afternoon. See, you know, say some men, if you leave them, if you go tell your children, say, see the reason why your man, you see what your man do. Maybe your mama not see read one, but for this guy to come talk this thing for be 4,000 plus they wash. For me, I take them now. Because it's no.
God bless you.
Every time this thing get a CB, it's okay, my way investor. No, hey, this I'm no, they happy with baby now. Even 4,000 plus he wash. At least not even of it. And what I wish here, yage. No.
So not soon over. Also, Nina ya mwe. That girl, she's a disgrace to that family.
Very big disgrace.
Now, because I went Vic, they shout. You know what made the guy talk? But a lot of people they say the guy that Vic na goat. Now that blessing, any blessing,
I don't want to mute it, bro. Say, I get one.
A moderator now, look at that new moderator where you put they're very brutal. As they move, I make a talk. A blessing where they bottom, not a matter. Or my Niger there, and no get no vessel. Imagine some person tell you say your man and winch now, no verse for this talk. You go fit come and public all the talk and say your man and winch.
So what you give me, my brother? Make us off answer you. If my mama they popo me, I'll beat my mama for social media.
Idiot.
Yes.
Idiot.
My mother, if I wish my mama a bad mother to me. I for not the talk say I love my mama, I love my mama. Anybody for this life will not want me you leave, even if your papa, your mama, they are demonic to you. I have this
But
at the back of the mind.
if mama not do anything,
The reason why they always use my mama the pride is because she has vowed to pray for me for the rest of her life till she dies. She has vowed that my son, you will live, not till where they go fit do you, like pikin, because I know you know they find anybody trouble. That is a mother. If my mother cannot stand by me, then why will I be proud of my mom?
Investor, that your master that time. May even you have
Lady J, wait. All of the talk say, where did this girl called talk saying a bad thing? Right? To me, not be bad thing. You know why? Her mother has committed a sacrilege. If you check this thing when and I even take the life of their father, this thing when I know they look say na small thing so. And if this thing is not properly done, it goes say take you know it be a war. Oh no, it be a war. The Europe where we call it that today, so come make people feel say a war na normal thing.
I fed the man. They have fed the man.
No, sir. I can put it to you now that they take the life of their father. And the reason why it be said the girl come voice out is because when they ask the girl, say, where your pikin not fit stay with your mama. Now they let us, they don't say, see the sacrilege where they go on for the family. No, sir, go check a lot of foundations for those states. First son, they die for the family.
You know, all these things I know where. Now I know I did in and out of I know.
The they always declare the day that they hear their papa land after 2 weeks, you yesterday say, there is something that was done in that family where they take the life of every first son. When they can't look as normal, when they not rectify, because church just can't cover a lot of things. That's why me, I'm a traditional man to the core. And I follow the way tradition works. That is how it is. If you don't follow tradition, you go there quick. Because when this guy talks, so I supported that to say it. When my mama did with my papa, if my mama cheat on Kotokan, I wish the social media era, I will say, my mama cheat on my father. Yes. That's a disgrace to the woman. It's a disgrace to the children. If anybody say enough for Kotokan, you people are not letting me know that maybe they cover for mama when they cheat. Where to take the life. If now the woman die, the man die alive, now go happy. Go check Bini. Go and check Edo State today. Now landlady, now many pass landlord. In fact, he can't there for Edo East to say now man they felt they die before woman. Now a few landlord now they Bini as a man. Where be say they lost their wife. Majority of the landlords in Benin, they don't die finish now their woman can't take over. Wait till they happen. Why will not they check history? We'll follow tradition the way it was in the olden days. And not they blame them. That one they make things they hard them so. You know your thing the guy talk just now. He say we go carry pikin from there. After 2 weeks, the work when you use 9 months they do for it concern. That's our the mama no gree so before papa buy. I be they try to ask. There are many ways where woman go take do some kind things for you as a married man. It go affect you if you not follow the normal process. Not be only when woman prick for toto, not be take it on you. The words that come out of that woman traditionally is an abomination. And if that woman not do cleansing, you can't go use ordinary body to sleep with that woman. You can't shop the woman food. You are finished. You are finished completely as a man. Not anybody deceive you say which cleansing because it is the tradition of our forefathers. Now what will they do from the beginning to the end? That is it.
Okay, now if woman is shit, it even though say if the man not know, if they affect him spiritually, and the man will be going down, the man not go know. Waiting make the man know he can't still go eat the woman food. And that man ain't by himself. He can't go sleep with him. The man don't by himself. If anything that has to do with that woman, if the man take him, then the man ain't by himself. Both Nigeria or abroad, that's why a lot of men for abroad, they know they get they beat because Wife when they put for us, they shit. A lot of women, they shit, they're not gonna know. They'll say if man can do it, a woman can do it as well. Not be everything where man do, not be woman they do. Pray, may you marry. Once you marry, say may you they progress. May your husband they progress.
The power tap,
Where
oh.
husband they progress,
The power tap
it they
is
affect,
low.
it they bless the woman.
Let's say I bet Musa wait. Let's say they want to go give the girl fair ass. They talk, me and mute.
So
And you see,
anyway, now waiting me
at
I
least she
know
not
this
go,
be
but they
that
don't
though.
give you this ass.
Make I talk.
But again,
Uh,
at TV nemes again at TV time. Oh, te wa tiwe,
eh,
oh te wa tiwe ko deadly.
Epanosa,
Yes.
And
uh,
Ataladian.
Big Lady J and Epanosa. I greet the afternoon and good afternoon. You see,
Good
maybe we dey
afternoon,
talk
sis.
about as it be when Edo Yakbitan where Emika Dogoja, I Wogoja. This family, they are not united. They have problem within themselves. Most especially if you see from day one, yesterday we dey here dey try to look for how this particular girl go take dey okay, how we go fit take rescue am. But im own blood sister come up instead of her sister to join girl, e no get as blood go be reach. Ana agbe ehiawoe. E no get how you go stubborn reach for house if you come from a good responsible family. Ihe a agbo ehiawoe. Ihe ka lele mana ogbo ihe ka si wella wane ihe ka protect you well. They will protect you with all means for you to be safe and sound before they go lash you or beat you for inside house. But wetin dis sister do yesterday, rather the sister came up here, she crucified her own sister wey dey problem. At the same time, crucify her own self with her parents. If you forget wetin she talk, she said it that our family is having problem, but it's not something we would like to bring to the media. Na the problem they ask you for. We are here to talk about your blood sister. We are not here to ask you the problem of your family. So if you talk something towards that direction, anything that leads to that angle will be brought out to the public. Let's be realistic. Forgetting the fact that this girl on you, she messed up. Yes. Aro evemeti azuo mi azuo wo bokpa we ri azuo wo bonokpa ga gwe ga ni na ti e ugwe aya gwe emi ma no we ya da. But on a serious note, if you as a junior sister wey dey Nigeria fit get that death leash out so dey talk about your sister in this manner yesterday, since you climb up, you've never given us reason to save your sister. You've never given us reason to protect your sister. Forgetting the fact that you people have one misunderstanding or the other is none of our business. We are here to protect your home. But you coming up and you are giving Enoge reasons to back up. If I leave that my sister, she don't cost a lot. The damage is too much. She's this. Did you how many words that girl talk yesterday when she take condemn that boy acts? She never say a word. All she cares about was herself coming to Europe and cares about how to condemn her sister. Now, what do you expect from this same sister? You no go expect me say, oh, Waniama Meti,
Okay,
when
that
they
is
don't be
a good
push
one.
me.
My babu.
Sister, wait, you no go expect me say house when they for raise me, carry me for 9 months. And they roll, they call, they still push me for outside. You expect me, I can't cover their mess. When I know that their mess brought me this far, what are you saying? Their mess cost me my life, cost me everything that I'm going through today. I am trying to still run towards them. Nobody is coming out from that angle to defend me. And you want me to defend these people? No, it's hell no for me. I know me, I say, I thought say maybe she ate. Yes, she ate, but it's very low for me. I don't go do that thing. So if we dey talk am straight, make we just talk am as e dey go direct. That the two of them is wrong. The family is not in good condition. Let them sort out themselves. Who bring matter come out? E no care.
Not be mama can talk for here and the girl. But still, they shouldn't have just bring the issue out. That's just me. If I not bring them out. Or man you say, a blessing man you say. And a Vicky, if you look where Vic they attack her yesterday, Vic attacked the girl, but at the same time, he still try say, if I talk, now like say my sister know the year word. Kind of like say maybe, see, I don't feel date this very situation when we say Vic day. When we say that, what was it called? Where that Vic day. Because I had a sister like this before. Not be say, God forbid, don't be before. I get sister like this. When it be say, the time when we say, can't take made up her mind, where I can't clear, then we all have to support. That's the reason why we say, make Vic the verse for his sister. But he say, you shot, boss.
No, sir.
Boss.
What you talk?
And no game. Anytime be public. Anytime be public.
No, sir, wait to. You know they interested in this girl when she carried belly at the age of 15. You dey fair for your mama with old. No, sir, they do this thing again, bro. No, sir, this girl carried belly at the age of 15. The pikin at 10 years, bro. There's no good communication in the family, Baba. No, sir, there's no good communication in the family. This girl here, so carry belly at the age of 10. If man to know your family background, you can't see you finish. Now make this guy the bitter because he not get who go ask her.
Now the girl tell the man.
Hello, what do you? If you like, you call disgrace mama here. That's not my business. Because if your mama knows you're not disgrace her, mama will not want me to disgrace her. Go do well. Mother will not want me to disgrace her. Go do well. Any mama will not do well. Any papa will not do well. They go to disgrace her. This girl here carry belly at the age of 15, bro. Talk about that part. Talk about that part, bro. Leave waiting the girl can talk for social media, baba. Even the Vic not even explain herself first, and she just the shout. Say he thought say mama didn't name me. Imagine that she did 25. That one with the shout just now go date 23 years. Or maybe 24. Maybe now 1 year sitting around. Or 2 years. More just say go date 23. Baba, 15 years old, carry belly. Is that a good family background? That is not a good family background. If boy with 15 years sleep with woman safe, then they beat him. That time, when we young, we not go 15. We'll tell our mama to get girlfriend with the grace. Even when me don't still reach all those 19, 20 safe, when we don't the bolo to I this giving. Me don't give you my belly before my mommy. That's why they call my mom say me give you my belly. My mom said I lie you. How? You never see me with woman. How? And my papa say, yeah, one moment about be. My papa come be comparable say, nah monkey when they put for belly they'll feed the knife for. The one way they back, you know that you don't carry banana for road. Before my mom say, no be lie yo, no be lie yo. That's it. My mother trusted me until I give my belly clear for her. So, you now they let me the notion now. Normal thing for a female child to get pregnant at 15. The parents failed. So that made the girl call disgracing mama say, mama cheat on the papa. Because assuming they give this lady so a good family background, not be money, be everything. I will they show her love. Now make Goya wayward today. If you don't know. This is the reason why Goya is wayward today. Because Goya is not from a well-responsible background. Because now Goya be the only woman who for 3 different men with the proud. He did like he talk about swag. So yes, so sister, no shame. I may be 3 papa. Single mother of 3 different baby. If they talk with confidence, that's his identity. Because there's no family background.
She said that she wasn't sure that you can
Vicky, if you climb up, can't talk without no insult. If you climb up, can't talk without no insult. Anyway, out here, boy. Not be saying you talk to your mama, because you yourself, Vicky, you still bring your mama down just now by saying, if your mama hear what your elder sister do, you go swear for her. Meaning your mama they swear for your children. I've been now let me want to hear that word just now. Vicky said, if in mama hear what blessing do her for media, he said mama go swear for her. Meaning your mother has been swearing for her children. So that is not a better place for our son to stay. Now make your sister come carry pikin. Because your sister know it pass through for your mama hand. You were just trying to cover for your mother, but that will not be the bone of contention. Yeah. If you know it, your sister they pass through for Europe, you're not going to do the one they do so. May you leave quarrel aside. May you join your sister. May she get peace first.
Yesterday morning, I call her. So our daddy family, they call me say, we beg your mommy go do the she never sick. They say one of my sister, the one with the man, so the one where she's senior, that one also they do like mad person also. Say small, all of us go down. Say they beg mama, please go do that thing. I see they beg mama sit there, but my mommy never answer me. He never answer me. Because I was okay, make I call this victory so because that she see the come mama, the rest of them they come mama because of that situation, they fear, they run for their life, they run for them.
Oh, tell me. Okay. May I ask her?
So now let me have victory. Let they call mama, they give her money, they make sure she pay okay. That's the victory. I find the year for money.
I beg, hold on a minute, oh. Hold on a minute, I beg, blessing. Upon us, your papa don't stick by. They say me your mama still go do the cleansing.
Yes, so they say if not all of us go down low. The one way they create, so the one way she's senior, that one doesn't they do like mad person also.
Which one? Which one is senior?
But no say one take one the place. Number 3 they go on the place. 12. Number 3 they go on the place. The one way about 4 for inside that don't say they do like this.
Till you don't, you have to have 12 children with your mama. I beg, what damn you? You know, say you rima. No, sir. Say what you say me they cover up. Out of no, sir. Mute me the listing. I just say me I call you. Your same father, same mother. Same father, same mother. Till you have the praise. Same father, same mother. Till you have the praise.
Then from the other side because.
Then Patricia, Larry, assistant social. Assistant social, we are the war. Now, look at you get Natalie, see. Who will sell the paper? Or we are selling paper. The what? Woman, more one there. Or we are the way. Yara Gole, can you have your money? Woman, you more one there. Anyone, the Italia. Thank God, I'm not like Italy. God forbid. I feel go there for enjoyment. I can't stay in Italy. I don't feel like that country for the one. Because they do well. If a Jamie since yesterday, they don't give this woman fair ass. Jamie, don't call they give her thing, don't call they give her bread the money. No one know Jamie. Cappuccino. No one know Jamie. Jamie today protective, eh? I don't like Italy. Italy to the door. Patricia was there. Come on. Come to Kiami. Come to Kiami. And we're more one there. We're more one there. Come to Kiami. We're coming to Kiami for. See, you feel surprised here. See, tell you. Hospital said they don't food, say they don't feel attend to you. More than expect her. Expect her me, make they go as I be, make you wait. Which one? Even only one.
No, wait. So even the condition will follow me. That was saying one come out. They would add to my profession. They say one go. No one look at children for life. You before you take my academic class. I go from one take my children for. Make I go back here. Make I call the wait for them.
Then they see Uber for na city. Uber dey. To not get Uber. Uber now like street see. You will book them online. You can carry it for the address where you dey. Carry go the address where you dey go.
Not the taxi now. Taxi. If you taxi, I tell address when I say you can carry me.
Okay, now you need to just go relax. Yeah. That make the body beat you because no healthcare system in that particular place. Not be all Italy, but your place where you do so, now just zero.
You know why because I would say I don't go donation.
Oh, yeah, may you go that sister as we call Carabinieri yesterday now. That my fans. That my strong fan. Hey, she tell me say she will do work. Say she will close by 4. Me and I don't still talk since. You understand? So for the now, may you go as first. Okay. Carabinieri say they don't do anything because you never donation now. That's why.
I never donation, but before donation, I made the fair defend them. They see you that the fair will complain. I don't go there, they will complain. They don't go. I will get case for cause. So they say the fair people. They don't go defend now.
I don't bring you up now. I don't send you request now.
May they find emergency place for me. I'm picking first.
Okay, may you first go as first. First go as first. Yeah. And they try to bring her up. You know they come up.
This city now.
I know. I said not be so Italy. I know. I know. Say this city, so there is a problem. I know. And now you cause her because why? Yesterday, yeah, you still tell them again say it not beat you. They call they look like person here not correct.
Yesterday, bros, how can they say? I think the dance party. I forgot wait for the go put me before I forgot the reach again. They forgot seize my phone. For those things black.
Why?
I forgot for the reach me. Yes, that was the fair too. The should my for the first time I felt they say it beat me. When they carry me come up for dear when I go spend 2 years for that place. They should make it for one garage place near the house for 2.
Oh, mama! Your papa, your mother is not a good test, man. They play. They do, leave me, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, no, the children don't know the way they do. Oh, mama, my guy. Assuming another thing, they don't know, they all they play. Oh, mama, my guy. Oh, mama, my guy. Okay, may you go as now. Blessing. Yeah? Go as. If that woman come back, if your boyfriend beats you, let me know. If he beat you again, let me know. May I bring your mama picture, come aside. If he beat you again, let me know. Yeah? Lare, sky money. I don't know the kind of money where you get. Woman, you know the money where they receive, not they show for your wife or children body. So you know they receive any money. Sky poverty. Sky poverty. For you to go your platform where you born for 3 different papa, the can't beat you, I go beat you. If you beat your wife against sky poverty, I go post your mother picture. And you're not going to do me anything. Let this be the first and last because you beat her yesterday for live stream. You feel say if you beat her, me go stop. You don't know me. Sky poverty. Sky poverty. Sky broke. Sky will not get 1 naira. Sky. Sky. Why you not go stay for Sky? Maybe from there they do things for Sky. Sky. Sky money. Where the money now? You know they show for your wife body. You know they show for your children body. Woman where they sleep with. You know why they carry for call papa and mama because say they don't go do our for the family. You don't get respect for the game. But I did here as another brother to fight for this game. Marriage not be by force. If you don't let you do come out. I go what yo. If you don't let you do come out. Oh maman, voilà the vieille. Yeah. When you pet on maman, mais if I go pet all those on maman, mais on a go as if that my fans come back, you can't do the necessary thing. Yeah. You hear? When the Patricia will carry you come Carabinieri office. Patricia, preke, give her phone. May I speak Italy for her? Even say Very Patricia now. They don't say they pay her. Which kind of Musa shall be this one? Shall be they pay her? Hey. Hello. Okay, we are that brother. Okay. Let's see. Slim Think that they are better. Unmute me, talk to us. I'm not going to say it here. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Bros. Same daddy. Your boss this one doesn't relate to them. I'm not going to go with clean. Hello.
Comment ça? Good
Hey,
afternoon.
what you were sister daddy? Where my métier?
Good papa. Good afternoon. Domo. The network
You
is never
can't tell your younger sister.
Wa wesi nika pomu.
Yeah.
Wa wesi nika pomu wana mu ade TikTok ne we ya make nine minutes mu wesi kakabo. Zolobo ade
Oh,
baba.
bros, I beg you. You fit speak pidgin. Maybe all my first the year bini. You fit speak pidgin, bros.
That God go bless you now because according to the way I take see the name Eloge as Benin name, that's why they speak the Benin.
So,
Now good afternoon.
okay, yes.
Now God go bless
Good
you now.
afternoon.
Now
Good afternoon.
God go bless you now. Now take carry this thing come TikTok because now my
Yeah.
junior sister, now that girl be to me the same mama, the same papa.
Oh. Oh.
Because yesterday they call me, they say your husband stubborn to death.
Yes.
I call the find all miss. When I wanted the reach
They
all
say
my
yours must start back to meeting.
to death. Say the husband stubborn to death yesterday. So I call the,
Love that.
Yeah, man. Oh. Bros, continue, Baba, continue.
so they say your husband stubborn. So inside there I call they try to call them my sister, then my younger one, and then my senior one. So you guys when we call my sister number, you know the pick, but it dey online. So I call people they come my senior brother, may I explain, give am, see wetin happen. So even my senior
Yes.
brother now this morning come online, I call the house me say, I meet here. I call say na one of my friend, I did the TikTok, come let me know say see wetin they go on for TikTok. Me never know.
Yes.
I can't say no because say na yesterday that one happen. So call if go meet and I contact me put. I don't know I call it be now truth because now wetin I hear be that one.
Where you dey for inside? Where you dey? Which country you dey?
I dey Nigeria.
Okay, bless you.
Sir?
Your elder brother dey. What be your name?
Oh,
If
God,
I
no.
don't need to leave outside, they call am
Hey,
I don't
because your sister say a lot of things dey happen for the family, so I need to dey pass through a lot for his side, for this side. The boy really stab am for real. He stab am for leg. You get? So now we dey try to make your sister dey okay because me I no dey like oppression. I dey fight for intimidation. I dey fight against oppression. I no dey like oppression for my life. The way this issue take dey play, not be today, not be the boyfriend because you never put money for your sister head. Not be today Saturday beat your sister. Me want ask you, my brother, you don't know say that man dey with your sister for us for this Europe. You don't know, Slim Daddy.
I don't even know.
How una go just let una sister dey with person? You not even get regard for una as a family.
I don't even know anything about this their relationship. Because ever since when we did that time, he even forgive that boy more than 3 times, I beat 2 times. Me no even know.
Let me can they beat your sister now. Nobody go ask him.
Hello? Network.
For your information, my brother, he not stab your sister to death. Because assuming she stab your sister to death, meaning your sister don't buy be that. Now always stab her for knee. You understand? And for face too. You get. I know so you made mistake just now. So may you explain to your brother now, Blessing. Your brother dey here. Blessing. One they throw me gifts now. I just there they fight for people where I don't know. One they encourage me with gifts now. Blessing, you don't reach us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello?
If he touch shoes, let me know. May I bring your mama picture come aside? Let me can do agbiye. May you explain to your brother now. You will be the sleep daddy. Your sister, you're the born for man. You say?
This morning they beat the face of her. My brother was calling for video call. They tell her say, this mama keep you for in presence. You go collect the phone from her hand, slap me. My brother they see her. So my brother so if they see her for video call.
If for your brother, for this your brother present, he don't slap you.
Hello? I no call you. Yeah?
Pick your call.
Hello? Yep. Oga, I beg no vessel. I beg. But you get with I want to try me and ask my sister. Like this my sister now, this relationship where they are two they do so where be like say they are two they fight. The husband they beat her. This tomorrow. Now so your husband beat her. Next tomorrow, this that. Me not they understand their two. Because yesterday when they come here, they say your husband stab and he don't die. But because all my even my brother for village, all of them don't hear now. They even they call me this morning. So now every time God when I carry a come put up, so when me call the people they hear say never done and leg for stab and so because all of them don't they worry, all the whole family don't they arrange, they don't they cry, they don't even post her, they don't even people don't gather for our village self. Say he don't die, say they don't stab and he don't die, the husband stab and he don't die. Even that they come in for belief for here, me I arrange, ask them one thing come. So that we'll go for before mama.
Still, you tell your sister not there.
If not be my friend wey contact me put for this TikTok now, come tell me say wetin dey go.
Still, wait, who tell you your
I
sister
for no
not
know
there?
wetin dey happen now.
Sleep daddy, who tell you your sister not there? Sleep daddy,
Baba,
who tell you your sister not there? Who tell you?
na one girl he just call me normal call. He say
Whether they call the girl name? Whether they call the girl name?
na victory na victory friend, our last born friend. Na he call me.
Wait, there yes, friend.
Victory he friend victory our last born his friend na he call me yesterday. He call me with normal call. See wetin victory tell am say. See wetin victory tell am say our sister don die o, your husband stab am, he don die. Now I call
Vicky go tell your friend sister not there.
yes. So all that one call dey cry, they call me say where I did because that one get my number. I call they call me yesterday last night around 10. Say where I did, they say my sister where there travel.
Victoria.
Your husband don stab am, don die. Now I call my sister for village. I call them my brother for village. I even call our my uncle say my sister wey dey abroad don die. All of them dey cry for that side. They don even dey cry say he don die. Wetin dey call na every year I tell them know say he no die, so na every year me tell them say he no die, he dey alive. So na every year I come tell know say he dey alive because all of them don dey arrange how dem wan take do burial now because dem say we no fit carry am come. Na wetin I tell them say person wey die for abroad dem no fit carry am come, he don die. Na dem say make I come. Even I don dey arrange to go village tomorrow go tell them my friend because dem my friend dem even dey here. Some even come greet me for house. They come dey sorry for me say my sister wey dey abroad die. Na here I come dey know say he no die. So na victory friend na he talk am yesterday say my sister don die. That's why I come dey call them for village. Dey tell them say see wetin dey go on.
That's how you be Victory. Victory, you go tell your friend say your sister don't die. That one can go tell your elder brother. We not even ask first. We not even make una verification first. I don't believe. You carry call across to the village, say your sister don't die.
Because I called her yesterday, they not pick. I call, you not pick. The next thing again, go offline. Your husband is not there online.
Blessing,
When I dey call am.
blessing, bless you.
Na me go meet my friend. Say,
They hear me blessing.
my friend.
They say they don't pass message go to village say you don't die. Oh. Me if okay. We're relaxing the man. Me have to wait later man. We're chilling. Me February. I'll call you later. My brother do. They hear me. Hello. Sleep daddy.
Hello.
Sleep.
I hear you, Baba. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Your sister not there, as you can see. Now
Thank
here,
God, thank God.
just come enjoy her for lap. No wonder you use that word say it's stab her to death. Everybody was laughing, thinking say maybe now you mistake. We don't know say you know till you talk, you know. But the lady they know say that news is fabricated and you need to fast go put the cross a call now to them say they know you don't hear where it's not fake news. Go tell them now. Go tell them. And secondly, in our family not get cooperation at all. Sorry, in our family not get cooperation at all. Because of the thing when the be say they say your mama do. Probably maybe they make now because they get all these division for family. They hear me sleep daddy.
Hello. I hear you, sir. Is it?
You hear me? I say
Yes,
no cooperation for the family. The only thing they see so it be like say there's a can't be happen.
Yes, na true. Na my elder sister na dey scatter am. Na my elder sister. The overall na dey scatter am. Because as the way you talk am so na truth. You just know. E be like say you just know. Na my elder sister na dey scatter us. Even this morning, even yesterday, when this thing happen, na he be first person when I carry phone call say see wetin dey happen o. He wan tell me say make die go die make he die o. He no get mama. Okay, we say blessing really die. Na that answer na my senior sister go give me say that his sister, his junior sister go die make he die. Die no get mama. Is this where you go on?
Sleep daddy. They hear me.
Baba, don't
You yourself.
good afternoon, sir. They hear you, Baba.
You yourself at the verse for you. You know where? Man, slap your sister for video call. Man. You slap your sister for video call. You slap her. You slap her. Not the one thing they watch me from that side, daddy. Man, slap your sister for video call. Your sister, they call you, your blood sister. Call you for video call. Your husband, they load and slap. You not call village meeting for their head. May you tell them, say, what you see today, you never see this kind of thing for your life. May they call the two families together. May they see how they'll fit and bring peace. But now, you call here, say, they say your sister there. You can't put a call across
Na
to the
me
village.
dey enter o. Na me dey enter o. Na my friend dey tag me dey put na o. I no even know wetin dey go on. Na my friend come tell me say yeah,
The one when
dey
they
enter o.
say, Adam, the one when they say you felt witness before, when you witness before for
God
video call.
forbid. God forbid. I no witness anything for my life. Anything fat, they are too fat. God forbid. God
You get
forbid.
your elder sister.
The only one
So
day
your
when I
elder
know say
sister,
God.
your elder sister say if you want that be there.
Yes, now wetin talk. Now I
Where
for
that
go
your elder
pray.
sister
Now
dey?
I
In
go.
the Europe for here.
You know now that one dey village. That one dey village. He say blessing, you know the blessings when blessing take travel, he not get a number. And blessing not dey even dey call am. Even blessing na so blessing dey na me I don't know the one I want to talk about because if I come dey explain all this thing dey come out for here and I go come be like say I dey come dey spoil e head dey give that boy make dey do anyhow because I just dey pray say make in a very good day if we die your husband make dem see paper make dem come house because me I see that your husband face to face so that we will sit down we will talk plus me and blessing because if I come dey explain many things for you you come be like say I no know the one I want to explain oga.
Yeah. No go to your explain. You dey shame to talk. Which
Because
husband?
no be everything I go come dey explain for here because if I say me I talk if I say me I open my mouth talk many things throughout today day go break we go see enter tomorrow day go still break for 1 week we no go finish this matter so that's why I just say as a man no be everything I go dey open
We
my
go
mouth
there
dey
here
talk.
for the next 1 week. That's why your story long.
Oga no be small but oga no be small story o no be
Adam,
tell me I tell you o no be
blessing,
say tell me I tell you o.
blessing. Your brother say he not see when your baby papa take slap you for a present for video call.
God forbid.
I dey talk to am for inside room wey you collect the phone you come slap me for video call with am. He say no problem na even with evidence of injury they are still defending me. All he say is okay. Let me fight for my head and this way first. Because
Which
like
which
right now, I don't even know what
which
I
of the
want.
brother? Which of the brother? Because we be two.
Now
We be
you
two
now not
brother.
be
Where
here. Yeah. I'm not here. I worry one. Don't
not
worry
be
now.
not be me
That's one
not
not
be me
here.
not be me be overrushing you. Not be me be overrushing you.
You not say you're overrushing. You say you when you talk so. You say don't catch your voice. Or who when no guana. Or we have voice when eh. But that feel loading your
No.
video call. Who got it?
Oh. Ah.
Now the one where they talk to
Ọ̀dà
me
fún ẹ
so
kọ̀
I be
bí
like overrushing your brother.
Sirimeni nalata wota for esta be
Blessing.
na. Nala wota for egbe na ọ̀tá be. Where wo ni mege ate kosi be to la bababa. Where wo e wo pa ni mete kosi mege a kosi ba fona bababa. Because me we me video adi palon and we bere boss no gume ready na we na gwalije monte. Now na gbo pa wa wo no make na go ko osun na be dia. Uda mete we
Okay.
gbede na. Do we me video adi palon where boys no real. Where boys no real. No we na gbe wo.
Okay.
Abi na we
No.
na where
And my brother last day, never do anything. Not
Eba,
go there,
oga,
not do have.
oga,
I beg.
well, no don't like if not be you wey carry this matter enter the top. Una for that year
Eh,
say we don dey score 1 or 2-0, 2-1, 2-1. We don hear 3-1. We go dey
okay.
hear 3-1 for Benin. Say a home mislead that I don drop 3 for a family. Now because I don't even
Okay.
tell God say you come carry a cut it or you come be like say na God just carry you make you carry a cut it or make matter just be like say make you off like that because we don dey arrange this night we don even dey arrange this afternoon and we want to find mother house go kill one for inside na wetin we all be prepared
See
for when
daddy,
they tell me say e
see
serve am to
daddy,
death.
see daddy. Listen to yourself. Your sister have given birth to this man once. Now not carry problem go meet him mama for us.
Me no
He
even
come
know
born two. Well, mama problem be girl. What?
mama I no know
I
I
take
no
daddy
even
stab on
know
two
I
alone
no even
devil.
know
Well, I
that
go
e born two children give her I no know. He born he never even carry phone call me say hello I don deliver o me I dey say okay my
Eh,
sister deliver give toto boy like this the second one I no know the first one that if person sister deliver he no go call him family say hello Mona, I deliver, I marry, I deliver, so give
Now
so person like
they
you.
bless
We don't
you.
know. Even this boy,
They bless
I don't know
you.
his mama, I don't know his papa, I don't know his family. Mona ask
Yeah.
blessing.
He gave
If I
your other
if
sister.
I didn't
Wait,
know,
your other
if I
sister
didn't
did
know
react
this
me.
boy
Oh.
family,
Wait. Your other sister did react me. Vicky, this one on your hard work. If they go, they bring all of them, they call you Vicky. Vicky, I not trust you, Vicky. Well, yeah, I'm what to because your other sister say me I help her. Oga, before I go up your other sister, you sure say now what your other sister tell you say he bless you one day make it there. You sure?
I'll cause you the lie. Now yesterday tell me that me and that one don't quarrel now.
Okay.
Now voice note you take talk now.
Madam, come up.
No, call. Now
Not
call
before
take call. Now
WhatsApp.
call take call.
WhatsApp, man. Go
Now
WhatsApp,
call.
madam.
Now
Come.
call. Now call. Now call. Because our two don't even do. Our two don't quarrel for best matter. We don't insult each other. Even my senior brother. Me I forward the thing enter. Me I forward the thing enter now. Mona the listing. Don't be small word for this side though. Blessing matter. Say your husband be donkey blessing. When I come my senior sister say if you want that may die. That will provoke me. I cause yeah, I feel you saw that one. That my vaccination. I feel use am for that one. When they break now, I call my guy say how far see wetin dey happen. They say blessing person wey dey marry for abroad and no know the family. He kill my sister for that side. They call say I meet know. I call say na victory friend. Na he tell me. Because they say okay, wetin we wan do na mo go find victory. Or mo go find that friend who catch that one. Make go show that boy house to us. Mo go see kill one for there. Make the boy know say wetin he do for abroad for that side. He don the rest for Nigeria.
Okay, now you need to calm down. And thank God say you no carry boys go there. Okpewo you don ban courtesan for those states. Presently, anything that has to do with
Baba,
courtesan in those states
Baba,
is zero.
he not ban it, he not ban anything. Oh. If you do me, I do now. We dey do for Benin. Oh. If you say
Yes.
if not be you, where you say carry this thing on, I don't kill mama, I'll kill sister. IS will come out. Everybody will go African country. Or they will arrest me if they fit catch me. They not fit catch me.
So
They'll
bless
arrest
you.
one of my
You
family.
get brother like
All
this
of
way
us
get
will
action.
move.
Now you know they talk to her.
It's about you.
But your brother say not be he, say not be two. He say not be he. He say not
God
say slap
forbid, not
you.
be me. If I just say you load my sister slap, I go find mother. If you load my sister slap, I see her. I'll go find mother. I go do the worst. Me of the power.
But I'm happy now that the Patricia don't do it work. So I don't want more they talk everything for social media because everybody they listen to our conversations. That's why I don't want more they talk things. If I come online now, before I come back later, me go still call you, me and you talk. You understand? Your brother say in there, please say you not there. So that one alone. If you want to go meet your boyfriend, mama for us, and we have be your the one. No, that your pikin now. We'll talk about that your pikin. Sleep daddy. Sleep daddy.
Baba, good afternoon. I hear you, Baba.
You have done what a brother can do for a sister. But what to be your name, Slim Daddy? Now Slim Daddy be your real name, Abi.
Baba, the reason why they get this sleep daddy, I don't know how I go be. Later the day, go fit kill my sister now because that's why they use that one to follow up. Then they try sleep daddy, they don't sleep.
You be bad person. Oh my God, they don't
Because my real name, I don't.
This man a bad person. Slim Daddy, Kakabo. Slim Daddy. May you message me for WhatsApp later.
Okay.
You get my number?
No, I don't get your number.
Oh yeah, I write my number for ground. +49.
Okay, I become plus. Plus 49.
plus 49. Yes. 1521
1521
046
046
0250.
0250.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
Add me your thought 16 that day. I don't know that you name me and you get talk.
Okay, Baba.
Yeah. All right.
Yes, Baba. Baba, thank you. Be like say all this voltage where they this boy, all this boy body. Now you they come. Now you can come out down now.
Move very calm. Yeah, you not touch your sister. Yeah, move calm first. And we go
Thank you
see
very
beat her
much.
for this side. We go discipline her for this side. But
But I,
you need to calm down.
it, but it's stubborn, Sha. It's stubborn. I be stubborn for leg.
Yes, it's stubborn for leg. Yes, that one I truth. It's stubborn.
Okay. 10. 10.
No, not do anything stupid. Yeah, that's why I say, may I get your WhatsApp number? I'm talk. Yeah, I beg. For your sister own good
No
too.
problem.
You get. I beg.
No problem.
Uh-huh. So this one we they do 10, I think more money. Your pikin, eh? So how you still want me be? You want me to still go carry your pikin? Now we don't explain your family. Okay. I go talk to my in-law. I'll speak to her, me and I'll discuss.
If I to come for this country for them, they can relocate go that country. Because they can see and they carry my age.
I don't want me to talk everything online. If I try, I'll call you. You get things when I want me to talk online. You get things when I don't want me to talk online. So if I try, I'll call you. Yeah, we hear from our fans too. They listen to advice so people want to bring home. Okay. Not be lie, not be lie. Yeah, moderator, they bring them up. Moderator, wafiare. I beg go. Boss lady.
Epa, good afternoon, Epa.
I beg you go stand to have my timekeeper, I beg. You dey give them 2 minutes, I beg.
Okay.
But me if I talk first, me then you wait, you can't give them 2 minutes.
Okay, wetin I got to talk for this matter be say, make that girl, you
Yes.
no suppose even go to that boy again. Me no even go again. Epa, say you see that boy wey cut that girl for fish that time. Now similar thing be this, eh? Me if I no even go there again before social will give her a place, me no even stay with that boy. Because that boy too dey violent. Me no go there again, pa. That be my contribution.
Okay, me not go there again.
Me no even go there again, vous say. Make your friend go find where go stay. Before social will come find place for her. How the boy where they beat her.
Okay.
Best picky, you want kill her. Me no go again, pa. That one be my contribution.
Thank you so much. I beg again, send me your house address now. Blessing, you know how to send me house address again. Don't forget. Snap her for the letter. Snap her for the letter. Or no, snap her for the letter. Snap her. Letter with the doctor send you letter. Write her for paper for me, send that for me.
Merci de valider votre titre de transport.
Snap her, clean the front camera away before you snap. My classic. I be no TikToking. TikToking before you.
If I make my classic, make the women talk first, if it is possible.
Okay, my classic talk. My classic talk. When I drop my classic, talk
I
now.
am here, pa. You know one thing where we go understand is that sometimes our men they do things and they never wait for the repercussion.
Epa la 10.
Auntie, mute.
What is 10?
No, you talk about
The
that.
thing that the man that has treated this girl bad, auntie, whether he likes it or not, he go still face the camera.
Of course.
You will hear the repercussion. Not be this thing.
All this kind of thing needs to teach our youth and people that are existing in a violent like this, women, a lesson. A man slap you one day. That day when that man slap you, you need to start looking for solution. And
I'm
that
on not
solution
best,
may not
so
be
if
to
they give me
cancel the
time,
man.
be like say, if my time reach, they will drop me. Why? I never talk. Oh.
Anyway, the solution you are looking for, it might save that man and save you for untimely death. Because a woman who has children for a man and there is problem in the house, you woman, you need to give way. That's why they call it separation. You're not going to wait until person don't die. Your brother now is seeking for help, and the woman is lying in state. May I still rest in peace. If this woman have stood up tomorrow and said, no, this man is maltreating me, I want to come out of the marriage, it's me and you that we have platform where they are discussing single mother.